Have it on the whole time. Now it's on. Okay, there's Angel the Cockatiel and Kooter the Lovebird. Angel belongs to Wendy. She's sitting up against the door so they don't get out under the door. And Kooter is my little lovebird. I'm gonna come check out the light. Huh? You gonna come check us out? Who is that? Huh? What is that? Yeah, I sprinkled some of their seeds on the floor so they can forage. There's little Kooter.
He's looking pretty fine. Thanks to you. I'm a doctor, not a hero. You're a hero to Gus. And this town. Stop by Helen's. Said you were here.
I got some homemade toys. See a piece of paper bag with some crinkle paper tied around it, and there's part of a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll over right there in the middle. Let's see if I can, right there in the middle. And then over there is some toys. Some of them have some crinkle paper in it and other little stuff. My little Kooter just flew back up here onto his cage. I've got it closed, but maybe he'll fly back down.
Hope to see you soon.
I thought I had it closed. Well, I thought I had the cage closed, but evidently he went and got in his cage. What are you doing in there? I thought I had your cage closed so you could stay down here and play. Huh? Come on out. Has he got a yeah, he's just got part of something in his mouth.
He climbs the ladders.
I hear our kitty at the door. Yeah. Hey, Angel. Hey, sweetie. He's curious about everything. Wendy has a larger playground. I had intended to buy a bigger playground, but I can't remember where I got it from, but it was supposed to be a lot bigger than that. And I was a little bit disappointed when I got it, but I didn't want to have to send it back. But it does good for my little Lovebird. He's not very big, so. And that is a wiffle ball that Angel is playing with right now, and I've got straws stuck in it and another little ball. See, he just pulled a straw out. They like taking stuff apart and tearing it up. He's going to try to put it back. Are you going to try to put it back? Look at that. Look at that big baby. There you go. Put it back. Stick it in there. Oh, you going to try to get a different one out? Wendy's going to stick it back in there for you. Wendy, you'll have a hard time pulling at it. Oh, no, I see. It's okay. Wendy's bird is a little more interested in playing around on the floor than the little Lovebird. Oh, is he gonna try to stick that little balsam wood into the ball? Yep, that's what he looks like he's trying to do. The straw. Ooh, look at there, he got the little wicker ball. And that's a little plastic ring that one of the he almost looked like he was going to put that ring on that straw. Wendy, turn the deal around to where one of the straws that's sticking straight up, maybe he'll try to put the ring on it. Yeah, like that. He has some really pretty coloring. I don't know if you can really see it if the camera light is. Now maybe you can see the coloring a little better. He loves Wendy, and Wendy babies him. It's her baby. I'd call her the helicopter mom because she's constantly right there to grab him and she moves the toys around constantly instead of just letting him look around for all of it. Where did he go? There he is. Wendy, show him the ring.
Hey, come on. Show him. Show him you can show the... Well, there you go.
Wendy's been trying to train him a little. Show him the ring that you can put it on that. Oh! What are you doing, huh? What you doing? Oh, I'm not gonna spray you. He sees the spray bottle,
no.
and he really likes to be sprayed.
Darn.
But we'll do that. Wendy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get him over here.
No, you can't have the ribbons on my Bible. Where'd he go? It's under the chair. Okay. Wendy's gonna show him how to put a ring.
See this? Here, you want this? No.
Nope, he's not gonna pay attention to Wendy right now.
No.
Okay, well, we're gonna turn this off and let him play a little more. And mine's getting all, well, he was puffed up in there, ready to take a nap, I guess. Yes, he's got all kinds of stuff in his cage. We've got one of those little hamster wheels, and he's just getting used to it being in there right now. He has tried getting on top of it, but there it is. Attached to the side of the cage. No, doesn't have anything that he can get hung up on. It's just like a plastic bowl or something. There's one of the little finger lock things with some tissue paper on it. Not tissue paper, but crinkle paper. And I've got a, I don't know if you can see his wood perch. And it's got some holes in, well, you can't really, it's got some holes in it that you can put his seeds in, and he likes eating out of that. Oops, and I didn't put my vacuum cleaner up, but I'm going to use it to vacuum up all these seeds off the floor when Angel gets through playing.